In your opinion,
Oh, you're going to bring a variable fighter girl.
tell me what you know about this TFG. Why did you pull this off the shelf and say, Brett, we have to talk about this?
Well, I thought the world needs to know. And we don't have Carl here to tell anyone about it anymore, so we have to do it.
I know, but I'm very immature.
Yeah.
And I feel a little creepy. But it is Friday.
Yeah, well, you never
and
know.
You're here.
I'm here, and you sent me the picture of this the other day and showed it to my wife, and she said,
"That's crazy."
She said, "You two are just weird."
I know, right?
And I'm not disputing that.
I'm not but it grabbed my attention on the shelf.
Yeah.
And it wasn't the only one. We've had like 3 or 4 of them, and they have all gone online orders.
Yeah, because no one's going to come in the shop and buy that.
Well, I've been waiting to shake the hand of the person who's going to buy it.
Yeah, and just say, "You filthy bastard."
Why? There's no filth in that. I wanted to whip the top off and have a squiz in there.
Oh, I thought you were talking about her.
Who have we got? We got Quox in the studio. Hey, Quox, how you going, bud? So, what am I looking at here? I don't know.
I've got no idea.
Got face plates. We've got lots of hand gestures. They love putting like multiple hand gestures in there. Look.
That's cool. They're really tiny.
And there'll be different face plates in there, I bet.
Yeah.
I love it. Look at all the body parts.
That's what we were interested in.
Look at the ball joints. She's going to be very poseable.
Yeah.
Very nimble.
Oh.
Very nimble. Just like you with the new knee.
I might have to go and have a lie down.
Anyway.
I'll do that on the train on the way home.
Oh, yeah? What, this model?
I'll have a lie down.
I just want you to carry this on the way home in the train.
Yeah, because no one will come up and talk to you, Garen. Well, the only people that will come up to talk to you are people you don't want to talk to.
Well, it is Friday. It's Friday.
They're sort of, you're right, they're cool, but they're really creepy.
Well, only in my mind, but I'm not an artist, so. Carl, I wish Carl was here because she would be able to tell me all about it and give it context.
Yeah.
Without context.
I don't want context.
You don't?
No, I'm happy with it as it is.
I'm just going to show the. So that's the
VF girl.
VF girl. And she's quite poseable.
Yeah.
Various levels of clothing looks like you can put on.
Yeah.
From little to none. She can ride the robot. She can sit up in the robot. The robot even goes without her. Robots in space on Earth.
Part of me wants to buy one of these.
Dude.
Oh, this is not a Bandai. It's an Aoshima.
It's Aoshima.
Oh.
Yeah, she's got 3 face plates.
Like 90% of Gundam is Bandai.
And it's designed to have no paint or no glue.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but you will need nippers, a knife, and
you did say nippers, didn't you?
I did say nippers.
Oh, just checking.
I did not say nipples.
Didn't you?
No. There'd been no reason to say nipples.